NVIDIA, from graphics to artificial intelligence. 1. The rise of a tech giant. NVIDIA is one of the most influential technology companies in the world. Founded in 1993, it has grown from a small startup focused on computer graphics to a global leader in artificial intelligence, high-performance computing, gaming, and data centers. Today, NVIDIA is at the heart of revolutions in video games, scientific research, autonomous vehicles, and AI. But the journey was not easy. It's a story of vision, innovation, risk-taking, and constant reinvention. 2. Founding and early years, 1993 to 1999. NVIDIA was founded in April 1993 by Jensen Huang, a Taiwanese-American electrical engineer, along with Chris Malachowski and Curtis Priam. The trio saw an opportunity. As video games were becoming more advanced, computers needed better graphics processing. In the mid-1990s, most computers relied on CPUs to handle both general tasks and graphics rendering, which limited performance. NVIDIA's vision was to create a specialized chip, the GPU, graphics processing unit, designed solely for graphics. 1995, NVIDIA released its first product, the NV1, a graphics card that combined 2D/3D graphics, audio, and even Sega Saturn game compatibility. Unfortunately, it was ahead of its time and not commercially successful. 1997, NVIDIA launched the Rivi A128, one of the first GPUs capable of high-performance 3D graphics for PCs. This product gave the company credibility and opened doors in the gaming industry. 3. The GPU revolution, 1999 to 2006. The turning point came in 1999 when NVIDIA introduced the GeForce 256, which the company marketed as the world's first GPU. Unlike previous chips, the GeForce could process millions of polygons per second, delivering 3D graphics at a level never seen before on consumer PCs. The GeForce 256 changed the gaming industry forever and positioned NVIDIA as the leader in graphics technology. Key milestones during this era. 2000. NVIDIA went public on NASDAQ. 2000. Acquired 3DFX Interactive, a major competitor in graphics. 2001. NVIDIA supplied graphics technology for Microsoft's first Xbox console. 2002 to 2006. The GeForce FX and GeForce 6 series brought improved graphics realism with advanced shaders, lighting effects, and cinematic quality visuals. NVIDIA wasn't just selling chips, it was pushing the boundaries of what video games and computer graphics could achieve. 4. Expansion beyond gaming, 2006 to 2012. By the mid-2000s, NVIDIA saw that GPUs could do more than just render games. Because GPUs could perform thousands of calculations in parallel, they were ideal for scientific computing, simulations, and eventually artificial intelligence. 2006, NVIDIA introduced CUDA, Compute Unified Device Architecture, a software platform that allowed developers to use GPUs for general-purpose computing. CUDA transformed the GPU into a parallel computing powerhouse, attracting researchers in physics, biology, chemistry, and engineering. 2008 to 2012, NVIDIA released new GPU architectures like Tesla for high-performance computing, and Fermi, which made GPUs useful in data centers, weather modeling, oil exploration, and medical imaging. This was a pivotal shift. NVIDIA was no longer just a gaming company, it was becoming a computing company. 5. The rise of AI and deep learning, 2012 to 2018. The next big leap came when researchers discovered that NVIDIA GPUs were perfect for training deep learning models, the foundation of modern artificial intelligence. 2012. A team at the University of Toronto used NVIDIA GPUs to train AlexNet, a deep neural network that revolutionized computer vision. This marked the start of NVIDIA's dominance in AI. 2014, NVIDIA launched the Maxwell architecture, bringing efficiency and power to both gamers and scientists. 2016, NVIDIA introduced the Pascal architecture with the GeForce GTX 10 series, which became legendary among gamers and AI researchers. 2017, NVIDIA launched the Volta architecture and introduced Tensor cores, designed specifically for AI and deep learning. Jensen Huang's vision was becoming reality. NVIDIA's GPUs were the backbone of the AI revolution. 6. NVIDIA. Today, a tech superpower, 2018 to 2023. By the late 2010s, NVIDIA had firmly established itself not only in gaming, but also in artificial intelligence, powering self-driving cars, robotics, healthcare, and natural language processing. Data centers, with GPUs like the A100 and H100, NVIDIA dominates the AI cloud computing market, used by Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and OpenAI. Autonomous vehicles. NVIDIA's Drive platform provides AI-powered hardware and software for self-driving cars. Film and graphics. NVIDIA's GPUs and its Omniverse platform help create realistic 3D simulations and digital twins for industries. NVIDIA's GeForce GPUs also remain the most popular choice for PC gamers worldwide, powering esports, VR, and ultra-realistic AAA titles. 7. Recent developments, 2023 to 2025. NVIDIA's AI dominance exploded with the rise of ChatGPT and generative AI. The company's GPUs became essential for training large language models, making NVIDIA one of the most valuable companies in the world. Its market capitalization surpassed $1 trillion in 2023, putting it in the same league as Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. NVIDIA launched Hopper architecture GPUs like the H100, which are critical for training advanced AI systems. Partnerships with automakers, universities, governments, and cloud providers solidified its role at the center of global AI infrastructure. 8. Challenges and controversies. No tech giant rises without obstacles. Competition. AMD and Intel are constantly fighting to take market share in gaming and data centers. Supply chain issues. The global chip shortage affected NVIDIA's production. Crypto boom and bust. NVIDIA's GPUs were heavily used for cryptocurrency mining, leading to demand surges and then sudden declines. Regulation. Governments are increasingly scrutinizing NVIDIA's role in AI, exports to certain countries, and potential monopolistic power. 9. The visionary leader, Jensen Huang. A big part of NVIDIA's story is Jensen Huang, its charismatic CEO. Known for his signature black leather jacket, Jensen is admired for his bold vision and ability to pivot NVIDIA from gaming into AI and computing. Under his leadership, NVIDIA transformed from a small graphics startup into one of the world's most important tech companies. 10. Conclusion: NVIDIA and the future. NVIDIA started as a gaming graphics company, but today, it is driving the future of computing. From powering the most realistic video games to enabling medical breakthroughs to fueling the AI revolution, NVIDIA's impact is everywhere. As artificial intelligence becomes more advanced, NVIDIA will remain at the center, shaping industries, economies, and possibly the way humans interact with technology itself. The story of NVIDIA is not just about a company, it's about the evolution of technology in the 21st century.